Testing a webinar jam with the Google Hangouts here. It's kind of cool. Not sure how this is all going to work, but I am going to be going into desktop sharing as soon as I can find it. There it is, I think. All right, I'm going to go into screen sharing because what I'm going to be doing, I need to find my notes here, is I'm going to be showing you how to install and set up the plugin to create the Epic Squeeze page, the plugin to create lead capture pages for your blog. It's a really cool program and it's really easy to set up and use. And so we're going to go into desktop sharing right now. So that should get rid of me. And there we are. You're just seeing my desktop. So the first thing that I'm going to need to do is go into one of my blogs where I can install this plugin. So I'm just trying to think here, since I didn't really plan this, which blog I want to go and set it up on. So I'm going to go set it up here. Hopefully my login works. Just bear with me for a moment. If not, I'm going to have to look it up or get a different blog that I can log into. As you can see, I've got like 6,000 browser windows open that I really need to close here. So let me get these closed. All right, there we go. I'm starting to understand Google Hangouts, how it works, how it's connected to my account. All right, so that's my other webinar. That's Wednesday. So here we are. So this is, I'm inside my blog. I'm in the dashboard of my blog. I'm assuming you're following along here. And I'm just going to go down here to plugins because I'm going to want to install the Epic Squeeze Page plugin. Now, I'm going to assume that you've already purchased Epic Squeeze Page, that you have the zip file on your desktop. Okay, so you need to have the file. I received the program through another program that I'm part of, and so there were some different instructions. I'm not sure if yours will be exactly as mine. The zip file that I was given has a file in it with the username, or I'm sorry, with the license key and email. If that file is in your zip file, it needs to be removed. So just let me show you what I mean. So I'm just going to go back up here because I want to show you the file. All right, so here's the Epic Squeeze Page zip file. I'm going to open that up because I want to show you what I mean. This is one that I downloaded from the Internet Business Kits program, so it was part of the program. This README first file. If it's in your zip file, number one, you need to open it up. It will have your license key and information, so I'm going to leave that open because I need it. Second, you're going to delete that file right out of here. You're just going to click delete, okay? And then once you've deleted, so I just would do that right now. I would just go here and I would delete that file, okay? So I'm not going to do that on this one because I have another copy of this file that I can use for this exercise. So I'm going to go here to, I believe it's here in my documents. Hopefully it is. No, it's not. Maybe it's just in my Dropbox. Bear with me, guys, because there it is. All right, so here's my Epic Squeeze page. Now you'll see this version, when I open it, does not have that text file in it. There needs to be no text file. It needs to look like that. So I'm going to go back to this here, and I'm going to select that file back over here. All right, so I'm going to go and select this file. Oh, bear with me, guys. Need to go back here. Plugins. I want to add a new plugin. I see my WordPress needs updating. This is a good lesson. We're going to take a moment here. I logged into this blog. I haven't been in here a long time. Please update. I'm just going to click that and update it right now. It only takes a moment. I don't usually bother about updating it, especially this one. This is a blog. I don't need to worry about backing it up before I update it. There we go. We're copying the files. This will be interesting to see how long it takes to install this plugin and get it set up for you. So there we go. I just got to log in again. Okay, we're going to go back to our plugins. Our WordPress is now nicely updated. We're going to click on Add New. I can update this plugin here, Askimet. You need to have that installed on your blog. That gets rid of all your spam. So we're going to add this plugin. I'm going to click Upload Plugin, choose File. So I know where my file is. I know it's in my Dropbox. I know the name of it. It's WP Epic Squeeze Pages. And I'm going to install it. That's all there is to it. All right, so you'll see that it's working there. And here we go. It's installed. And now I need to activate the plugin. So you make sure you do that. Activate your plugin. And now it shows Epic Squeeze Page Pro. So now when we come over here and we go to our settings on the left, see I'm down in the menu here, settings. Here's our Epic Squeeze Page settings. We can go there and change our settings. This is where we need to enter the email address and our license key. So I had opened up that file. I have it right here. So I'm just going to grab my license key and I'm going to paste it right there. And I'm going to grab the email address, which is Renaissance. It's probably going to come up. There it is. And I'm going to save. Now, you can install, once you purchase the software, you can install this on as many websites as you want to. All right, so now it's all set up. So now this is where it gets really cool. All right, we're going to create a capture page. This is so easy. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to click Add a New Page. Now, you'll notice something. Look when I scroll down. Epic Squeeze Page settings. So the first thing I need to do is make this active because I'm creating a capture page. If I'm just creating a blog page on my blog, I don't need to make that active. You'll notice we have options for background, style settings, video settings, geo settings, miscellaneous settings. You can choose your autoresponder. We're going to add an autoresponder here, other, and I'm going to go over to GVO. So I'm just creating a generic webinar page. I'm going to create one for Club Shop Rewards. So I've activated my Club Shop Rewards list in GVO. And I'm going to create a new form here for this capture page. And I'm going to call this Decision Pack Page. I'm going to send them to a custom URL, which is my normal. So I can't remember my custom URL for Club Shop. So I need to go and look that up. When I'm doing my Club Shop URLs, I'm usually sending them to the actual sign up page here for a trial membership. So I'm just going to copy that URL. I'm going to come back over here to GVO and I'm going to enter that under custom URL. And if they've already subscribed, well, I'm going to send them there to sign up again as well. I'm going to make mine single opt-in so that they don't have to mess around. They get right to the information. I'm going to change this to say name. I'm going to change this to say email. I'm not going to choose Skype because that doesn't work on this capture page. And I'm just going to select create. And now I've created my form decision pack page, which is where this is. I'm going to click on the HTML, grab my form code, come back over here to my page, and enter my HTML code. Now my target is my sign up page. You need your target page. So that's your redirect page. Okay, remember that? And then, so my form is there. I'm just going to save this as a draft. I'm not going to publish it yet. Now I'm going to go here. I want to add, I'm going to call this page. I need to give it a name. What shall we name it? Club Shop. There we go. And save the draft again. It should name it now. There we go. Now it has a name. So you see I have a page, decisionpack.com/Club Shop. And that's going to be my lead capture page. Janet Legere invites you to partner with her at Club Shop Rewards. Join as a free trial member today. Get on her team and get on our team as a free trial member, trial partner. Fill out the form below for instant access. All right, now I'm going to change these colors. I like these to be a blue color. I can change the colors of my text, and I'm going to make this red. Whoops, that's not quite the red. All right. Now, we've got some settings here. I'm going to go to my background. I want a beach background. Beach work from home. They're always fun. Now, this is really cool about the program. It's going to go and search. Look at all these beach pictures. Now, here's something I'm not sure if it'll work right away, because sometimes when you select a picture, it gets discombobulated. It doesn't download properly. So it says attempting. It says it saved it. Now, let's have a look. All right, so it says warning. It means that picture did not download properly. So we're going to choose another picture. This is a nice picture. I like this one. Let's see if that one downloads. There we go. Do you see how it has a URL here? There's the picture. So that's working properly. I'm going to come up here now, and I'm going to save this. Now, I can view my page as a draft, and I want to do that because I simply want to show you, because that's it. We're actually ready now. But I want to go back here to style settings. All right, so our page is ready. I want it horizontal. I do want to show the name field. See this here, name field? Yes. I can check the font. So I can check whatever font I want. I'm going to leave it as it is for now. I have black text on white background. I can change that if my background is different. I can pick whichever button I want. I like to get instant access now. Now, this is what's really fun. I can make the button do things. I can make it wiggle and wobble. I'm going to make it wiggle. And then I just leave the rest as it is. You can have a video if you want to add a video. You can add a video to your website. You can do the geo settings so you can allow certain countries. And there's other miscellaneous. You can have an exit pop-up and what have you. So I'm going to go up here now, and I'm going to save this. And we're going to go preview it. All right, so hang on a sec. There we go. And there we are. How quick was that? Does that look pretty good? I don't know about you, but I'd be filling out that form. And so when I fill out the form, and I click get in. Did you see how it bobbled when we loaded it? I click it. It's going to take me right to my sign up page. And bing, bada, boom, I have a new subscriber. It's myself. And there I'm going to sign up as a club member. Now I got to get back to the room, wherever we are. Here we go. We're getting close. Help. There we are. All right. And that's it. That's how you create a captivating capture page with the Epic Squeeze page program. Pretty simple to use. So go ahead and grab yourself a copy of Epic Squeeze page. It's only $47. In my mind, I would pay twice as much as that to have this little plugin that is so easy to use. So I have this page. This is still drafted, so I haven't actually published it. You'll see it says draft. I can create a new one. If I want one for Contact List Builder, maybe I'm going to create one for CLB. Join our Contact List Builder team. Make that blue. Oh, I have to turn this on. And I can go in here and set up my autoresponder, select my background, change my settings, change my style, and all that. Save it, and bing, bada, boom, I have a new page. How cool is that? Come back to the room here. I think if I go like this, stop, I can just go like that. There we go, and we're back here. Wasn't that cool? Well, there you go. The video should be up and recorded, and I'll put the link on the website. We'll have a full call. We're going to do full training on Wednesday. So this didn't take very long. This was pretty cool. Thanks for stopping by.